Hey everybody, this is Brian from Vance Hines, and thank you for joining me on another Fuel Pack Friday. If you ever rolled off the throttle and noticed there's a popping or burbling coming out of your exhaust pipe, well today we are going to fix that with our very popular Decel Pop removal tool. Once on the main menu, go ahead and press the View Edit Maps button. Press on the highlighted map, which is your currently flashed map. And under the Air Fuel menu, you will see Deceleration Pop. Go ahead and press Decel Pop. And here's our UI for it. So you have a couple options: off, light, medium, and high. So 1 through 3 firecrackers. Generally I'll recommend flashing it with light initially. Back out, press the lightning bolt, hit continue, and that'll flash the changes in your bike. Now that tool essentially richens up the 0% TPS column on your target AFR table. I do recommend starting with light. If it still continues to pop and burble, go ahead and set it to 2. Typically 3 will be reserved for something like a short shot staggered with the baffles removed. Now another way to access this menu is to press map optimizations on the main menu, and you'll see some of our most popular features all in one place, Decel Pop being one of them. Thank you guys for joining me on another Fuel Pack Friday. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll catch you next week.